The third normal form is a target that we need to aim for whenever we create a database. Now, if you use the processes that we've talked about, the chin and the crowfoot diagrams, and you use the normalization process, the databases that you create will first be more effective, and second, cause you many fewer headaches as the databases complete their life cycle. With our third normal form, we have two steps that we need to accomplish. The first step is to eliminate that pesky transitive dependency that's hung on since we first started the process. Now we're going to do that by creating a new table for each transitive dependency. And as we create that new table, we'll add a new primary key for that table. Second, along with the new tables that we create, we want to go back and examine all the tables that we've established through the normalization process and make sure that that table name reflects the content of the table. Remember, with Oracle today, we have the luxury that we can name the table and identify pretty much the content in it by using complete words. And that is a huge advantage over our Neanderthal database predecessors who could only use 2- and 3-letter identifiers for their tables. Well, let's take a look at the diagrams to eliminate these transitive dependencies. The project table has remained the same. We have a project number, which is the primary key, and a project name. The assignments table has remained the same. We have a project number as the primary key. The employee number is a foreign key, and then the assigned hours that an employee has for a project. What's changed is our employee table, and notice now we've removed that transitive dependency. So now the employee table reflects only information about our employee. The employee number is the primary key, our employee name, and the job class that that employee carries. And we've added a new table, a job class that has associated with it a per hour charge. And of course, the primary key for the job is the job class title. Now you might consider several different ways to indicate that primary key of job class, but the ideal situation would be to have that primary key reflected as a numeric value. As you look at our database design, it's very easy to see now that in our tables we can enter most of the data once and only once, verify it, and then not have to touch that data again. And that's a good goal for us to have as we work through the normalization process. Now, there are 2 more levels that we need to discuss when we're talking about normalization, and we'll do those in the next section.